Today we're making my favorite homemade cough syrup. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making a homemade cough syrup for those times when you have like a cough and you want to get rid of it. But if you are sick, remember, go see a doctor. That's really important. Homemade things are wonderful, but so are doctors. So yeah, if you're really sick, go see a medical professional. But this is something that you can take, which you can make yourself. And I have taken this two ways. One, I take it with just the concoction itself, and the other one I add to hot water. And then the third one, which you'll see much later on, is a hot toddy, but that one's even better. Okay, but let's talk about the ingredients. For those of you who are old timers, not to insult your age, but for those of us who are of a certain age, you'll see that some of these ingredients do make sense as for their medical properties. All right, so let's go into this, and I'm just going to tell you what's in it, and it's really good. The other thing you can also do is you can also use this as a ham glaze. It makes a wonderful ham glaze. I'm serious. So I'm starting off with half an onion. It is just roughly chopped, and I mean roughly chopped. 4 whole cloves of garlic. Cinnamon sticks. I have about 5 cinnamon sticks. 1 lemon. 1 tablespoon of whole pepper. This is ginger. 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Sounds pretty good so far, doesn't it? So yeah, I mean, like I said, all the ingredients will show up down there, and I want to stress, if you need to see a doctor, go see a doctor, but this is a cough syrup that I like, and a lot of people use it. And then the last part about this is honey. So you're saying to yourself, well, what exactly is this going to do? Well, we do know that honey has antibiotics. We know that a lot of these things will help you sweat out a cold. Yeah, so you can see where this might actually be of some use. But I want to stress this. This is a cough syrup that I use. People have asked me for the recipe, so I thought I would show it to you. I'm going to twist it to make sure that all of it is coated in there. That's it. Now I would let this sit for about a month. I usually put it in a closet. You're saying to yourself, but isn't this going to be bad? Well, actually, the honey acts as a preservative. Yeah. So this stuff can last for a really, really long time. As you can see, my cough syrup is running down. But the thing about this, when you use it, I usually take just a tablespoon. Realistically, if nothing else, it's really good. I mean, it's super good. You can taste the lemon, you can taste the garlic, the onion, and this will last for a really long time. You will see that all these ingredients can actually help you. But this is a cough syrup that I like to use. It's a homemade cough syrup, and I absolutely love it because I actually think it really works. A lot of what works is in your mind, I do realize that. But yeah, just let this sit for about a month and it is ready to use. So yes, I take about a tablespoon. If I'm going to make it into a tea, I use about 2 tablespoons into a cup of hot water. Drink this as a tea before I go to bed, and yeah, it fixes me right up. And I have been actually exposed this winter to some serious colds. I don't know what's up with people this winter. This seems to be keeping me fairly well healthy. But that's also because I take care of myself and I make sure I get enough rest and those sort of things. So yeah, don't think of this as something which is the pure end-all be-all, but this is what I do use. It's wonderful, but I want to stress, if you are sick, go see a doctor. Please see a doctor. See a doctor, and this is just for one of those mild irritating coughs, and this is a cough syrup that I like to use. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media on cmcolemanhome, and I'd like to hear what you think about this homemade cough syrup, or if you have your own way of stopping a cough or a cold. Let me know down in the comments, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.